Hi, this is Franny with Kaizink, and I am documenting an improvement. When I'm out knocking doors, I visit several industrial centers and business centers, and there's lots of businesses there. So sometimes I'll drive through them and realize that I'm back in an area where I visited already, even if there's new clients to visit. So what I've done is I've found a way in Google Apps to document where I've been. So you go to the Google Apps here, you go down to Google Earth, and I've already started Franny's Book of Business here. You can always add more items there. And so I have added 2 of my clients so far, but if I zoom out of this map, you can see both of those pins. So I'm going to continue to add more of my clients and any prospects I visited, so that way I can pull up the map easily and see where I've been and where I need to go. Thank you.